Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to become a VIP member on BuzzCast live video application. So first of all you need to open your app, then tap here right bottom corner of your screen. It's a profile icon and you can see here the option VIP. So simply tap here the right arrow. So you can see you'll get here VIP and super VIP, SVIP. So if you become a VIP member, then you can enable 8 privileges like distinguished logo, GIF, avatar, visit record, exclusive seat, anti-kick privilege. So there are a lot of things. So most valuable 3 months, $12, 1 week for $1, and 1 year for $26. So you can choose your package. If you want to buy super VIP, then you will get here 12 privileges and you have to choose your package. Once you're done, then you can check diamonds, also a subscription. You can also buy the diamond. Once you're done, then you can tap on the next button, then you have to research. So subscription or VIP, maybe VIP, and choose the diamonds. Subscription 7 days trial, first 7 days trial for USD, after which is the price. So you can, then you have to add your debit and credit card, then you can continue with that. So this way you can become a VIP member on BuzzCast app. So today's normal, and see you in the next video.